In this video, we'll take a look at some of the functionality available in the Jamcracker Cloud Analytics Virtual Appliance. Now, the Jamcracker Cloud Analytics Virtual Appliance gives you visibility into the infrastructure running on the public cloud providers Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Platform, as well as IBM Bluemix. With the hybrid cloud appliance, you can also get consolidated visibility into your VMware vCenter, vCloud Director, as well as OpenStack virtualization platforms. Jamcracker Cloud Analytics provides you multiple dashboards to view your data. The first dashboard we're going to take a look at is called the Cloud Resources Dashboard. This is a live dashboard, meaning that it's using API calls to grab information in real time. So you can see how many instances you have running, stopped, or terminated in some instances. You see the volumes in use and available, as well as public IPs, snapshots, and images. This is per region, so if you select a different region or a different provider, you'll see different values. You can also get a view of the instances that are running, including some additional detail down here. In addition to the cloud resources, we have a recommendations engine. The recommendations dashboard gives you recommendations for the various components in your infrastructure as a service providers. It gives you things like view into the databases, volumes, and the information provided here, if you click on it, will give you the IDs and other information about whatever resource we're looking at. For instance, let's take a look at instances, and we see here we have 2 underutilized instances, and its underutilization is based on the factors shown here. Same thing for stopped virtual machines. You can see that this machine is stopped. Maybe it's something you want to restart or terminate if it's not useful. In addition to instances, we can give you snapshot recommendations, security group recommendations, unused load balancers, public IPs that you've purchased that aren't using, and any images that might be redundant. If you're looking for a little bit more detailed information, the Cost Analytics dashboard can provide that for you. We can look at the cost trend for a given product. Maybe let's look at Amazon EC2. We can see the current cost so far, and the trend for the rest of the month is shown here. You can also get a view of the cost by the platform for Linux or Windows. And then some additional metrics here, looking at the instance type or size, the count of the cost for that, the IS usage type costs, the different types of resources like compute and networking, etc. We can adjust show top 10 to show the storage, images, etc. Then also resources by region, either the count or the cost there, and also by the source of creation. The source of creation widgets are useful in showing you whether the platform is being used to launch instances or if people are still using the vendor console, giving you an idea of the acceptance of the platform as a primary mode of launching workloads in the different clouds. The Tag Analytics dashboard gives you a really customized view of your cloud costs. And like all the other dashboards, gives you a view of either all providers or across a given provider. So taking a look at this, we have here tags that are showing you which phase each of these resources are in. Some of them are in QA versus being demoed, production, that sort of thing. Or you can change the display to show top 10 tags, which in my demo system will show me all the tags in use in my system. The tag cost trend allows you to define the trend for a given tag and its value. So maybe the phase tag with demo is one way, or looking at production, or looking at the project. We could also get VM counts and costs by the tag key. Again, looking at, in this case, the tag key might be phase. You can look at the top 5 values for that. You could also change it to maybe project and see the top 5 values for that. Instance costs and sizes by tags. So here we get information about the sizes as well. Now remember, all of these tags are defined by you when you're launching instances within the cloud platform. so that you can really get any sort of view. So long as using a good tagging schema, you'll be able to get the visibility of the costs for your projects or phase of production, etc. Now, if you're a customer with a Microsoft Enterprise agreement, you can also get a dashboard customized just for that, using subscriptions, departments, and accounts to show you the cost breakdown based on those factors. Additionally, for those versions of the product that include software as a service, these would be the CSB related products. We could also provide a SaaS dashboard showing you the cost trend by the providers, the absolute cost by the providers, as well as the license status and the order request status.